In this video, we'll take a look at how to embed a whole Google Drive folder onto your Google site. If you recall in the last video, we actually looked at how to embed a Google document on a Google site, and this is very similar. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Page, and I'm going to find out where I want to embed my folder. So I'll say right here is good. I'm going to insert, just like last time, Drive, and instead of a document here, I'm going to go ahead and insert a Google Drive folder. Just like last time, I can search. So if I want to find all folders that have the word demo in there, I can find that. And once I find a folder, I can either click inside the folder, and that will reveal additional either subfolders or specific documents. Or if I want to go back and pick the folder I want, I'll go ahead and select the checkbox here. So that's the difference, right? If I actually click on the folder, it'll take me inside the folder. So if I want to actually select the folder, I'll click on the checkbox. Go to select. This will give me options again to include a border, add a title or change the title, or adjust the size of the embedded folder. I also get one additional setting here that I didn't get with documents. I can display the contents of my folder as a list or as a grid. So the grid will give you the thumbnail screenshots. That'll give you a more visual, a better visual on what's inside the folder, but it'll give you less items to show on one screen. And whereas the list will give you just the titles of the documents, but it'll allow you to show more on the screen. So for this one, I'll actually choose grid because I don't have too many things in this folder, and then press save. Once again here on the gadget view, and still in edit mode, I see the ability to go back into my properties. I can adjust the alignment, so left, center, and right. I can turn wrap on or off, again, allowing for text to flow around the folder if I choose to do so. And I can also remove the folder here. Once I'm done, I'll press save. And I should be able to see my folder with a thumbnail of the document. In this case, there's only one document inside of that folder. So just as we looked at last time with a Google document, we have to take a look at the share settings on the Google Drive folder. So if I go into my folder here and I click on share, I can now see that it's private currently, so I can either add people or again change it from private to anyone with the link or anyone at ETHS 202 with the link or just anyone with ETHS 202 period. So I have the same share settings that I had with the document, but this is important so that whenever someone comes through a web page, okay, now if I change this as such, okay, if I go into my folder, I will now allow anyone who comes to this webpage who would then be able to see the documents or the folder of documents on that webpage. So again, that's important. If your share settings for your folder are private, it doesn't matter that your viewers will be able to come to the webpage. They will not be able to see the contents in your folder, and maybe that's how you want it. Or if you don't want it that way, you'll have to make sure you go into the folder and change those share settings so that people who do come to your webpage will be able to see your contents. All right, so once again, that's how you embed a whole folder onto a Google site.